guys, welcome to a new video. This time I'm gonna present you an CYMA CM042S under foldable stock. It's a full metal airsoft rifle with real wood stock and metal magazine, mid-cap magazine. As you can see, it's a beautiful gun. It has a real weight of 4.5 kilograms. The foldable stock is easy to be used. The accuracy of the gun is absolutely amazing. As you can see, it follows the classical AK47 look. The dust cover is not the red one as the original one made in 47. Magazine is nice and stiff, doesn't have any wobbly and any movements inside. It fits perfectly, well done from CYMA this time. The handle has been changed, the foregrip handle has been changed with the hook one, which is still working very nice. As you can see, the foldable stock goes very nice inside and it stays steady and solid in there. It's a very nice looking gun with a nice feeling when you play with it, and the realism, it's absolutely amazing. Thank you again for watching my videos, and see you next time, folks.